Are you ready to unlock what might just be the best AI-powered side income of your life? In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through a proven, step-by-step method to build a profitable side business using the power of artificial intelligence. This isn't about vague promises or get-rich-quick schemes. This is a practical guide to leveraging a powerful new platform to create real value and generate real income. Forget the complexity and the steep learning curves you might associate with AI. We're going to focus on a simple, repeatable process that anyone can follow. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a developer, or just someone with a creative spark and a desire to earn more, this is for you. We'll be using a platform that makes it all possible: Higgsfield. So, what is Higgsfield? Think of it as your all-in-one toolkit for creating and selling AI-powered services. It's a platform that brings together state-of-the-art AI models, a user-friendly interface to harness their power, and a built-in marketplace to connect you with clients who need your skills. The core philosophy here is simple: learn one model, master its application, and then monetize that skill fast. Higgsfield removes the technical barriers, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, creating valuable solutions for your clients. You don't need to be a data scientist or a machine learning engineer. You just need to understand how to solve a problem using the tools provided. The platform is designed for creators, entrepreneurs, and freelancers who want to build and scale a business, not just play with technology. It's about turning AI capabilities into tangible, sellable products. Let's dive into step 1. Sign up and explore. Your journey begins at the Higgsfield homepage. The sign-up process is deliberately streamlined because we want you in the driver's seat as quickly as possible. Once you're in, take a moment to just look around. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You'll see your project workspace, the model library, and the marketplace. Don't feel overwhelmed. We're going to break it all down. The most important area to start with is the models section. This is your treasure chest of AI capabilities. Now for a crucial decision: picking your niche. Higgsfield organizes its models into clear categories, but the 3 most profitable starting points are typically copy, images, and code. Let's explore what that means. If you choose copy, you're entering the world of marketing, content creation, and communication. You could use AI models to write compelling ad copy for social media campaigns, generate entire blog posts that are optimized for search engines, draft professional and persuasive email newsletters, or even create scripts for videos, just like this one. The demand for high-quality written content is endless, and with AI as your assistant, you can deliver it faster and more consistently than ever before. If you're more visually inclined, the images niche is incredibly exciting. Here, you can use AI to generate stunning, unique visuals for brands. Think custom logos, social media graphics, photorealistic product mock-ups for e-commerce stores, or even artistic illustrations for book covers. Businesses are always in need of eye-catching imagery to stand out, and you can become their go-to source. And for the technically minded, there's code. This doesn't mean you need to be a senior developer. You can use AI models to generate useful code snippets, like custom CSS for website styling, simple Python scripts for data automation, or SQL queries for database management. You can solve small but persistent technical problems for clients who lack the time or expertise. The key is to pick one area that genuinely interests you. Your enthusiasm will fuel your learning and make the work enjoyable. Once you've chosen your niche, we move to step 2. Build 3 repeatable outputs. This is the most important step in creating a scalable business. We are not trading our time for money in the traditional sense. We are building assets. A repeatable output is a specific, well-defined product or service that you can deliver quickly and consistently using a Higgsfield AI model. Think of them as mini products. Your goal is to create 3 of them. Why 3? It allows you to test the market, offer variety, and see what gains the most traction without spreading yourself too thin. So what do these outputs look like in practice? They can be templates, fine-tuned prompts, or a combination of AI generation and your own human touch. For example, in the copy niche, one output could be a social media content pack. You'd create a master prompt that asks a client for their topic and key messages, and your AI process generates a week's worth of posts for Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Your second output might be an SEO blog post brief. In how where you use an AI model to perform keyword research and generate a detailed outline for an article. Your third could be an email welcome sequence, a series of 3 automated emails for new subscribers. Notice how specific these are. They are not, "I'll write for you." They are tangible products. In the images niche, you could offer a custom logo concept pack, a product mock-up set, or a social media branding kit. Each one is a defined package that a client can easily understand and purchase. The magic is in the system you build around the AI. You create a template or a refined prompt that becomes your secret sauce, your engine for rapid delivery. With your 3 repeatable outputs designed, you're ready for step 3. List them as gigs on the marketplace. This is where you turn your AI-powered assets into sellable services. Think of each gig listing as a storefront for your mini product. Your title should be crystal clear and outcome-focused. Instead of AI writing services, try, "I will write 5 high-converting Facebook ads in 24 hours. See the difference? It's specific, it promises a result, and it sets a clear expectation. Now, let's talk about pricing, because this is where most people go wrong. Do not price based on your time. Your time is now leveraged by AI, so an hourly rate makes no sense. You could complete a task in 10 minutes that would take someone else 4 hours. Should you be paid less? Absolutely not. You should be paid for the value you deliver. This is called value-based pricing. Structure your gigs with tiered packages: basic, standard, and premium. Your basic tier should be an easy, low-risk entry point for a client. The standard tier should be your recommended solution, offering the best balance of features and price. And the premium tier should be the all-inclusive white-glove service for clients who want the absolute best. For example, a basic gig might offer 5 ad copy headlines. The standard gig could offer the headlines plus the full ad body copy. The premium gig could add in suggestions for accompanying images and A/B testing variations. By pricing for value, you anchor your service to the result it creates for the client. More leads, more sales, more time saved. And that is far more valuable than a few minutes of your time. You've built your products and opened your shop. Now for step 4, prove it. In any marketplace, trust is currency. A brand new gig with 0 reviews is like a restaurant with no customers. It makes people hesitant. Your first objective is to get one paid job and deliver an exceptional experience. You might need to price your initial gig competitively, or even offer it to someone in your network at a discount, just to get the ball rolling. The goal isn't to make a huge profit on this first order, it's to earn social proof. When you get that first order, over-deliver. Be professional, communicate clearly, and deliver ahead of schedule, if you can. Your repeatable output system should make this easy. Once you deliver the work, politely ask for feedback. A single positive, detailed review is incredibly powerful. It tells other potential buyers that you are legitimate, reliable, and that your service delivers on its promise. That first piece of feedback is the foundation upon which you will build your reputation. But don't just stop at the review. Take that first project and turn it into a case study. Create a simple before and after image, or a short description for your gig's portfolio. Show the problem you were given and the solution you delivered. For a copy gig, you could show the original, underperforming text next to your new, high-impact version. For an image gig, show the client's rough concept next to your polished AI-generated final graphic. This visual proof is often more persuasive than words alone. It helps potential clients visualize the value you can bring to their own projects, making them much more likely to click "Order Now." With social proof established, it's time for step 5. Scale with bundles and subscriptions. One-off gigs are great, but the real path to significant income is through recurring revenue and larger project values. Start by bundling your existing outputs. If you have 3 separate gigs, create a 4th all-in-one package. For instance, a startup marketing kit that includes ad copy, a blog post, and a social media branding image. Bundles increase your average order value and provide a more comprehensive solution for clients. The ultimate goal, however, is subscriptions. Higgsfield's platform allows you to offer your gigs on a recurring basis. That social media content pack can become a weekly or monthly subscription. This is a game changer. Subscriptions create predictable, stable income. You're no longer starting from zero every month. You have a base of clients who rely on you, and your job is to keep them happy. This stable income allows you to plan for the future. You can start to reinvest a portion of your earnings back into your business. This could mean spending a little on targeted ads within the Higgsfield marketplace to promote your top-performing gig. Or it could mean dedicating time to developing new, even more valuable, repeatable outputs and templates. This creates a virtuous cycle. Deliver value, earn recurring revenue, reinvest to improve your service, attract more clients, and grow your income. And that brings us to a final, crucial tip. Track your results and iterate. Your Higgsfield dashboard provides you with analytics. Pay attention to them. Which of your gigs gets the most views? Which one has the highest conversion rate from view to purchase? Double down on what's working. If your ad copy gig is outperforming everything else, focus your energy there. Maybe create new variations of it or promote it more heavily. Don't be afraid to pause or delete gigs that aren't getting any traction. And here's a simple rule for pricing. After you successfully complete 2 orders on a gig and receive positive feedback, raise your prices. A small increase, perhaps 10 or 20%. This does 2 things. First, it immediately increases your earning potential. Second, it acts as a test. If orders continue to come in at the new price, it's a clear signal that the market values your service at that level. You can repeat this process as you continue to build your reputation and refine your service. Continuously test, learn, and adjust. This is how you evolve from a simple side gig into a sophisticated, profitable business. So there you have it. A complete roadmap from zero to a profitable AI-powered side income. We've covered finding your niche, building repeatable assets, pricing for value, proving your worth, and scaling for long-term success. The opportunity is here, and the tools are at your fingertips. The only missing ingredient is you. Take that first step, sign up, start exploring, and begin building. You are more capable than you think, and this journey is more rewarding than you can imagine. You've got this.